Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to choose who can see your profile information on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your phone, first open up your Facebook app, and after that you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, just below the home icon. Tap there. And after that, after landing on your profile, you can see your about info option available over here on the bottom side of your screen. Tap on the see your about info, and now all these information are of yours when you registered on Facebook while you were creating the account. Now to choose who can see it and who cannot see it, you can simply tap on it. You can see the my location is over here, which is the Lalitpur, Nepal, and if I wanted to show that in public, I would have to tap on the pen icon on the right side of the option or the location, and you can see the only me option available over here. Tap there. And if I wanted to show it to everybody, I would tap on public, and if I wanted to show it to my friends only, I would tap on my friends only, and if I didn't want to show it to anybody, I would tap on only me. But currently I want to show it to my friends. Let's tap on friends and let's save it. Now my location will be available to my friends, and let's close this. Now similarly, I don't want my email to be public, so it's on only me. And you can see my basic info over here, like mail, my gender and my birthday. If I wanted to edit them, let's tap on the edit, and you can see you can edit your profile information over here. And if you don't want to show your birthday to anybody, you can see the 3-person icon on the right side of the birthday. Tap over there, and you can see the public, friends or friends, and friends option available over here. I would only want to show it to my friends, so let's tap on friends. And similarly, the birth year will be the same, and let's tap it on friends only, and let's save it. And you can basically choose not to show anything to anybody on Facebook. It's on you. If you select all these and put it to only me like this, all your information to only me, and tap on save, then you will be choosing whom to show your information and whom not to show your information. And there guys, this is how you do it. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.